I ordered this glass before I even got my phone. It's a Moto G34 5G. And look, after I installed it, this corner doesn't touch, this corner doesn't touch, and all around the frame there's uh, a strip, whatever you call it. There's a line that doesn't touch the screen. So it was $3 or $4. Maybe it's because of the price and these are just defective products, but yeah, I'm going to try again. This is a slightly different brand uh, screen protector, and let's see how's my luck with this one. They gave me the glass. Ooh, it looks nice. Anti-static, whatever. This looks really nice and it's with a frame. It the size is roughly okay. Just checking it like that by eye, because this doesn't say Motorola G34. So yeah, hopefully this will work. Let's see. So they gave me a kit here, cleaning kit. Well, first of all, let's take off this because I'm sending it back. Yeah, that's me. I don't like defective products and I try to send everything back. Sellers should respect the customers. Don't sell shit, even if it's really cheap. I don't think it's a good idea to rip people off by selling subpar uh, products. So let's see what's in here. Oh, we have the stickers, a microfiber cloth, and a wet wipe. Okay, so the way you do this is to wait a little so the dust can settle. If you have a dusty room, yeah, check. You wait a little for the dust to settle, then you wipe it off, take off the back of the protective layer of the glass. Oh, check orientation. This is top. But I don't think it matters. Wait. This is totally symmetrical. Haha, I didn't even notice. Some protective glass have a bigger bezel at the bottom where the screen is slightly more inwards. So yeah. Yeah. So yeah, you just take this peel off and pff. Okay, so that's the second step. The first step is to wet wipe. Ooh, there is some dust already. Crap. On the wet wipe. It's slightly wet. But these usually dry out if they are on the shelf for a long time. So let's see. Can I install a protective glass after these products were on the market for 20 years at least, since smartphones came out? And did I learn how to do it? So just wipe, 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 wipe. Take off the back. Like that. And wipe again before you put it on. Just wipe it off so there's no... Oh, there's a lot. Come on, man. Get off my phone. Yeah, this dust just keeps getting back. So don't do it in a dirty room. Try blowing on it and put it on. Like center it or something. Like that. And voila! It's not good. It's sticking out on the top. But I maybe leave it like this. No, 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 no. Get it up. Come on. This is not good. So it needs to go right to the edge. Like that. And down. Okay, I think I got it. It doesn't match the shape of the phone. That's my problem here. So the corners are slightly different. That's kind of strange. Ooh. Yeah, this has the same problem. Here, there's some dust, but that's not a problem. But on the edges, it doesn't want to stick. And I put it in the right place. Oh, crap. Well, but I think it's my fault partially. It's not centered. Okay, that's bad. But yeah, if you can see, it's not sticking right there. Even though the glass is slightly to the left, and it has a problem there. It shouldn't, just here on this part. So yeah, this is a negative review, but I'll put it on one more time. Try to put it in the middle. Like that. Okay. I did the best I can, the best I could. And yeah, there's some dust here. But that's not a problem. In the bottom, I don't care. Yeah, come on out. There's some air trapped. That sucks, man. Why does it do that? Just lift it up. And yeah. So this is a lot better than the other one, but not perfect. So yeah, I give it a 4 out of 5. But now it looks a lot better. It's a lot better, I think. Some dust here, but at the bottom where the buttons are, I don't care. I don't use that surface anyway. So let's start it up. Come on. How do you start this? I only had this phone for a few days. Oh yeah, long press. And let's see a white screen. So we see what shows up and how. Oh, and now there's a 1 millimeter gap at the top. Is that good? Yeah, it seems okay. Come on, no pin. Yeah, you're not watching my pin. So yeah, I think this is fine. I can see everything, and yeah. So the same problem here, look, at the edge. It's not sticking, like right up to here. And some non-sticking, oh yeah, all the way around there's a problem. So I don't know if that's a real problem, but for all intents and purposes, this phone is protected now. So yeah, I'll leave the link below to this. I don't know what brand it is. What brand is this? I don't even care what brand it is. I just leave it in the description, and yeah, you can click it and buy it if you're in Romania, or search for it if you're somewhere else. I think maybe, oops, yeah, so this is a problem. The case pushes on it. Oh crap, was that the problem all along? Oh boy. Yeah, so I'll have to fix that. I think I can fix that, but yeah, not perfect. See you in the next video.